In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to do a 15-minute recruiting blitz using one of my favorite tools for network marketers. And if you stay on to the very end, I was able to get you guys a 40% off discount code for the tool that has helped me build multiple 6-figure and 7-figure businesses, been able to stay more focused, have more productivity and more profitability, and I think you'll love it. Welcome back to my channel, and if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Jen Perga. I love helping entrepreneurs and network marketers be more profitable and productive online. So consider subscribing. In fact, hit subscribe because every week you're gonna get new videos from me that will help you increase your profitability and your purpose as you build your business online. I've been there. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed and unfocused when you're like, where do I start when I can only have 15 minutes to build my business? If you build your business in 15-minute time chunks, which I'm gonna show you today, you can be very productive and profitable, and I'm going to show you how. I've been there where I wanted to go clean my garage or go clean the dishes because I'm so overwhelmed. When I found this tool, the High Achievers Playbook, it really truly helped me stay focused on what I wanted to do in my business. If I just had 15 minutes, I was very clear on who to talk to because I was writing them down specifically, and then I would track those contacts and be able to get back to the ones I had, and if I just set the timer, I was able to stay focused. All right, we're going to go over 3 main things that I do when I only have 15 minutes that I want you to have as well, so you can break this down and make it simple. Number 1 is time blocking. Where do you have 15 minutes to build your business? I usually do this the night before, so I look at my day tomorrow, what's gonna happen. Right now we're in this crazy season of we're homeschooling, I'm building my business, and I'm wearing all kinds of hats. So I have to look and see where can I actually build the business doing income generating activities, not fake working where I'm pretending to get things done or cleaning my office, but like really truly where can I be leading by example and building my business. So block out 15 minutes, even if you just have one of those. You'll feel better and you'll move your business ahead. Number 2 is truly, are you able to switch hats? That was one of the things I had to learn and be flexible in, especially if you're like me and you like to have things in order. When we have kids home and homeschooling and sports and things going on, you gotta be able to switch hats fast. That's my tip for you is tell yourself it's okay. You're gonna close the door, you're gonna block out 15 minutes, and in these 15 minutes, you're going to really be productive so that you can move your business further ahead. So that's get yourself with high energy, block out that 15 minutes at the time for you. For me, it happens to be in the morning around the noon hour where I have the highest energy and I have so much more fun building my business when I can connect to people when I have good vibes, okay? Number 3, let's talk about what I practically do to do this when I have 15 minutes. So for example, for today, when I was building my business using the playbook, I had all these spaces and I knew that I needed to write down the names first of people that had just engaged on my Facebook post. This is how I did this 15-minute. You could do that from your Instagram stories. Who saw your Instagram stories that day that jogged your memory that you know would love your business or service? You would write those names down here in the name section, and then what you did to move them towards a decision. Remember, we're moving them through a funnel process because it takes people 5 to 6 times before they ever say yes or confirm for you. So what we do first is we just say, okay, in the 15 minutes, for me, I went through my last Facebook post, I wrote down all the names that had seen it that really I thought I haven't talked to them about my business yet. They would love it. So I'm gonna write their names down and then I'm gonna figure out what tool am I going to send them. Some people, like Marianne, I just simply reached out and was like, I haven't spoken to you forever. I think you love what I'm about to do. When can we connect? So I left her a message. Now the next one with Krista, what I did with her was I was able to add her to a Facebook community because I said, hey, I think you would absolutely love what we're launching, and if I could, I'm gonna add you to a Facebook community. That's that ad tag message as far as a way to build your business. And I added her to a community. Of course, I asked her permission. You know, we don't spam people into groups. We ask permission, can we add them to the group? And then I tagged her in a post that I thought she would love, that she would be able to see and connect to. to, and that's what I did with her. And so then I went through, and all those people in just 15 minutes, I either added them to groups, I left them a voice note. A couple of them I actually made a video for because I hadn't connected to them in a while, and I was like, hey, and I wanted them to see my face and see my energy. Again, why I said in number 2, you want to have great energy, have that hat where you can put it on and know when you're spending 15 minutes, give the people that you want in your business the best of you, and really truly make it fun, that you're going to give them a tool that could literally change their life. You guys, we're serving people in this industry. We're making sure, you know, we're not trying to sell them. We're sharing something that we know that they need. And I love the High Achievers Playbook for this, because when you can track down what you're doing, then if they decide to get involved, I usually will put a green line or a green check mark. If they say no, I take a red pen and I cross it out. No is better than a maybe, right? Because you never know what the answer is. So it's better to move people through the process and get answers so you're productive, and then you're moving to profitability. And I want you guys to have great results using this tool because it will keep you focused. And then on the next day, you can go back and see, who do I have to follow up with? Where are they at in their process? And move them through that. So as I mentioned, the first one, set the time so you have 15 minutes set aside. Number 2, make sure that you're able to switch hats and have the highest level of energy you can when you're going into this really productive 15 minutes. And number 3, set a timer. Chances are you'll love doing it and you'll probably go past 15 minutes. But if you only have 15 minutes, give it all you got, take action, and let's move you into profitability and productivity so you love the business and you get the results that you're looking for. As promised, thanks for staying till the end. I want to give you as my gift a 40% off discount code if you want to experience this playbook and tool that I've been able to take advantage of. You go and click the link down in the description. It'll take you to the site. Enter the code BREAKTHROUGH40 for 40% off as my thank you. I had so much fun hanging out with you today. I hope that you were able to see how you could just in 15 minutes have some great success in your business. So go ahead and click subscribe. I'm going to bring you another video next week, or share this out for teammates that may need to see this information so they can condense time frames, put on their hat of just building their business in 15 minutes and get their productivity and profitability they are looking for. So right now, like run, don't walk, go and set your next block on your calendar for 15 minutes and let's get you to take some action.